everyone, today our topic is punctuations. Okay, so let's start. What is punctuation? Punctuation are the marks such as full stops, commas, and brackets used in writing to separate sentences and their elements and to clarify meaning. It is important to find which don't have mistakes. We need to understand what punctuation is and why we need it. This chart up here is called a punctuation triangle, and this triangle has levels, and the levels go from level 1 to level 6. You can understand this chart as level 1 is for year 1, level 2 is for year 2, and level 3 is for year 3, and etc. But for level 6, it can be used to not only year 6 but years 5, 6, 7, and onwards. Level 1 is full stop. Level 2 is full stop and question mark. Level 3 is full stop, question mark, comma, and exclamation mark. Level 4 is full stop, question mark, comma, exclamation mark, apostrophe, and these quotes. Level 5 is full stop, question mark, comma, exclamation mark, apostrophe, quotation marks, brackets, hyphen, colons, and semicolons. Level 6. Use level 5's punctuation constantly and regularly. So you need to use these regularly and constantly. In level 6, you need to use them regularly, constantly, accurately, correctly, must make sense, carefully, and clearly. Full stops. This marks the end of a sentence. Example, the cat slept, comma. This joins or separates elements in a sentence. Example, when the dog barked, he jumped, colon. This introduces text in a sentence. Example, he was interested in one thing, playing video game. Ellipses. This represents an unfinished sentence or omitted text. Example, everything seemed calm, but then. Semicolon. This joins two main clauses or separates items in a list. Example, he ran after a dog. It went to the neighbor's garden. Here's the full stop. Here's the comma. Here's the colon. Here's the ellipses, and here's the semicolon. Apostrophe. This marks the possessive or omitted text. Example, my mom's car is orange. Hyphen. This joins or separates words or parts of words. Example, the single-minded dog barked at the cat. Question mark. This marks the end of a direct question. Example, where is the key? Brackets. These surround additional information in a sentence. Example, the two best friends, Shaggy and Scooby, went to a restaurant to eat a meal. Inverted commas. These enclose direct speech or quotations. Example, come here, shouted Mum. Here is the apostrophe. Here's the hyphen. Here's the question mark. Here are the brackets, and here are the inverted commas. Exclamation mark. This marks the end of an exclamation. Example, oh my god, dash. This signals extra information in a sentence. Example, the rose that bloomed in the sunlight smelled very nice. Here is the exclamation, and here are the dashes. Thank you.